Leaving the scene of an accident coupled with a DUI. Leaving the scene of an accident in Indiana is a B misdemeanor, and it requires knowingly leaving an accident scene and failing to stop immediately or very shortly or as soon as possible thereafter. In other words, if you get in an accident and you pull over, you're 10 feet down the road, you're not going to be charged with leaving the scene of an accident, and if you are, it's bogus. But if you pull into 3 neighborhoods later on a side street, they're going to get you for leaving the scene of an accident. And if you couple that with a DUI, things can get pretty dicey pretty quick. So DUIs in Indiana are going to come in pairs anyway. You're going to have operating a vehicle while intoxicated, and then you're going to have operating with a blood alcohol concentration of something greater than 0.8 or perhaps greater than 0.15. Now, if you couple that with leaving the scene of an accident, if there's injury, things can compound rather quickly. So, for example, if you have a death involved and an intoxication involved, and you leave the scene, that can get all the way up to a felony 3 in the state of Indiana. So that'd be leaving the scene of an accident, causing catastrophic injury or death while you are intoxicated. That's punishable by up to 16 years, Indiana Department of Corrections. So if you're charged with leaving the scene in a DUI, things escalate very quickly. It is very, very important you get an attorney involved immediately. If you or anyone you know are charged with leaving the scene of an accident, and that could potentially be coupled with a DUI, give us a call, 317-632-3642. Remember, always plead the fifth.